So we have seen in the previous video we have seen example using the radio buttons. So radio buttons can be created using the lists also. So instead of creating the radio buttons like this, we can also create using the list also. So for that, let us create a list. So for list we can create the radio buttons. Let us say languages is equal to, now let us create a list. Let us say Python comma value is 1 comma same thing Perl comma 2. Let us say C, make it simple, 3. And let us create one more thing, Ruby comma 4. So we have created a list. Now instead of writing all this, let me delete this. Now we will be looping in the languages list and creating a radio buttons. So for that, let us write for loop for, let us say, text comma value in languages, radio button root comma text is equal to txt. Let us pad the x is equal to 25 and variable is equal to v. Everything is same. Command is equal to triple M, and one more thing, value is equal to this one, value is equal to value. So for everything it will be looping and creating a radio button. And dot pack anchor is equal to w. That's all. Let us see the output first. See, same result. So we can create using the for loop also. Both are same. And execution should be same. Whenever we click Python, it should come like this. Execute some code. We will be writing some useful code in the real time, but to illustrate this, to understand how to use these radio buttons, we have written simple text. Welcome to Python programming. So hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video with the another topic.